In urban areas, tornadoes may seem rare, but their sudden nature means preparedness is essential. Begin by identifying the safest room in your home, ideally a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor away from windows. Build an emergency kit that includes essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, and a battery-powered weather radio to stay updated. For communication, establish a family plan with a meeting point and out-of-town emergency contact. Regularly practice tornado drills to ensure everyone's safety, focusing on moving quickly and calmly to your designated safe area, minimizing the risk of panic. Stay vigilant of weather updates using multiple sources, ensuring your family is informed and ready.